security, as you know, in the digital world is already an issue. Let's also combine security with privacy. So there are two things, so I'll club them together, security and privacy. When the technology is making progress, so is crime in the cyberspace. But at the same time, so is the research on security. Having a blockchain center of excellence, a first of its kind in this region, actually means security and privacy. So blockchain to a greater extent has already solved this security issue. So those digital assets who have adopted blockchain, they are relatively more secure, especially their data is secure.